Welcome back to One More Guru. In this video, I'll show you how to use a Tremendous Visa card. Before you can start using your Tremendous Visa card, you need to activate it so it becomes fully usable. Tremendous provides two options, a virtual Visa card and a physical Visa card, and both require activation. If you're using a Tremendous virtual Visa card, you can use it for online or virtual payments. Simply enter the 16-digit card number along with the 3-digit CVV or CVC code, just like you would with any regular card. Some stores may require a physical card. In that case, you can swipe or tap the Tremendous physical Visa card the same way you would use a normal credit or debit card. Before using either card, make sure it's activated first. You'll receive an email from Tremendous for both virtual and physical cards. Just follow the on-screen instructions in the email to claim your reward and activate your card. And that's how you use a Tremendous Visa card. Thanks for watching One More Guru, and I'll see you in the next video.